Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download NetMirror on iPhone and on Android. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you on how you can do it on iOS, but it's the same process on the Android as well. So what you're going to do is just open your App Store and also your Google Play Store if you have Android. So go ahead and open it, and then on here, you just have to go to the search bar and search for NetMirror. So just go ahead and tap on search, and from here you will have here the application. So go ahead and click on this and tap on get. So that's also what you're gonna do on the Android. So click on get or also install. It depends on what device you have. So go ahead and tap on install again, and you're just gonna wait for it to be downloaded. So once this one will done loading, then it's gonna go ahead and open. So go ahead and tap on open, and that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!